welcome! It has been a while since my last video. Life kinda happened and I was sick for a week too. There is some virus going around and everyone in my vicinity is sick with seemingly the same illness. I might not talk much during this video either, as my voice is still a bit hoarse. But anyways, today we are going to print and paint a small diorama from one of my favorite anime series, Nadia the Secret of Blue Water, or in Japanese, Fushigi no Umi no Nadia. The set was done by KIMOFIGURES on cult3d.com, thanks for making it. Now the same design is currently being made into a buyable pre-painted set by the team Prime 1 Studio for a whopping $1,000. Which is a hefty price, I have to say, and I don't know who came up with the idea first. There are several differences in the designs. But since there is no way I could afford the one by Prime 1 Studio, I decided to buy the one from cult3d.com, print it and paint it myself. I know it will be not as pretty as a semi-official figure, but at least I haven't had to sell my kidney for it. Both are based on an official illustration by the character designer of the show, Yoshiyuki Sadamoto, which was used as the Blu-ray cover of the show, having Nadia and Jean sitting on a couch, with Jean having a rudimentary diving gear, and Nadia holding a little paper plane that can be seen in the outro or the end credits of the show. Nadia is a classic series from 1990, heavily influenced by the novels of Jules Verne, made by the now bankrupted studio Gainax, with the same creators who later gave us Neon Genesis Evangelion. I have many unboxings on the channel for Nadia figures. Unfortunately, almost all of them focus on the heroine Nadia, which is a shame because the show has so many interesting characters. That was really what motivated me to buy this set and paint it. Printing took about 15 hours, and I had to print it in 3 sets due to their sizes. Interestingly, King was not part of this set, but I can live with that. I've always found him rather annoying, to be honest. I was looking forward painting Jean because his costume looks interesting with all the different little accessories and the helmet. Nadia, not so much. Again, the freaking stripes. I took some liberties with the set. I ditched that little sack or bottle thingy that was supposed to hang from Jean's other hand because the thin elements of it broke immediately after I removed it from the printing plate, and I did not regard it as a vital part of the diorama. I also changed some of the colors. For some odd reason, even on the official illustration, Jean is blonde, when in reality he is a ginger in the show, and here on the channel we really are not okay with the ginger erasure thing. I also changed the couch's color from the brick red to a pinkish one I used for Tsubasa's statue, because there were going to be a lot of browns and reds on the characters anyways, and I think it stands apart a bit more like this. And we have recycled the paint. Let's not waste it when it's possible. For Jean's outfit, I used a darker blue for the straps of the pants as we have seen it in the anime, and pretty much went by instinct on the accessories based on what would look good overall. The list of colors and materials will be in the description down below. I hope you will enjoy the process. Please like and subscribe if you do, and see you at the end of the video. when I was ready with Jean and started assembling the figure, I noticed that somehow there became a gap between the bangs and the rest of the head. At this point, there was no way in hell of reprinting or repainting everything, so I did the only barbaric thing I could do. I filled the gap with Tamiya putty, added some texture to it so it looks seamless, and hoped it would blend into the rest of the hair. I think it turned out really well. If I haven't shown you the before footage, you probably would never notice it, so I'm glad it worked out. This is the final look. As much frustration I had with the diorama, with the constant repaints and corrections, I'm content with how it looks. It's a very neat set, and I'm glad to have now a figure of Jean too. I wish someone would make Nemo, Gargoyle, Neo, or the trio as well. One can hope. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next one.